Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change wallpapers in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Go to the settings, then go to wallpaper and style. Here, click on change wallpapers. Here you can change wallpapers from available featured wallpapers or from gallery, then graphical, then colors, etc. Okay, so if you would like to select here, choose anyone. Okay, swipe like this and choose anyone to set as wallpaper. Okay, so as of now I choose this one and it will ask where to apply. Choose for lock screen or home screen or both. Here I selected both and click on next. So this will be applied to both lock screen and home screen. See the changes. Yes, it has been applied and see the changes. Home screen wallpaper has been changed. Also, lock screen wallpaper has been changed to what I have selected. Okay. Suppose if you would like to choose another wallpaper, yes, again go to the settings, then go to wallpaper and style. Go to wallpaper and style, and here click on change wallpapers, and from gallery you can select any wallpaper. So go to the camera folder and I am going to select this photo for wallpaper, and yes, it is asking where to apply. Now I am only I am going to use only for lock screen, so I am unticking home screen. Okay, so I have only selected lock screen and click on next. So this photo will be applied only in lock screen. Okay, see the changes. Home screen is unchanged, but in lock screen what I have selected from gallery that is displaying here. Okay, so in this way you can easily set for particular screen, that is for only one screen, home screen or lock screen or both. Okay, again I go to the settings, then I go to wallpaper and style, and here click on change wallpapers, and from graphical I am going to select one. I am going to select this one, and where to apply, I am going to select this is only for home screen. Okay, and click on next and click on done, and home screen wallpaper will only be changed now. See the changes. Home screen wallpaper has been changed, but lock screen wallpaper is unchanged because I did not select that one. Okay, again I go to the settings, then I go to wallpaper and style and click on change wallpapers, and here some wallpaper services are available. You can choose anyone. This is for setting up dynamic wallpaper, that is to appear wallpapers on lock screen automatically by each press on this side key. Okay, so I am going to select this one, and it is asking you to download. Just click on download and it will be downloaded. Just wait, and this will be applied to lock screen. Okay, yes. So if you would like to get more wallpapers, click on get more wallpapers, so that it will go to Galaxy themes, and you can select any wallpapers there and download and apply. Okay, so in this way you can set different wallpapers in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.